Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to move your Solana from Crypto.com to XMO in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as with any crypto transaction, always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Today, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, step-by-step manner so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and XMO, and that you have some Solana in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, verify that you're using the correct network. Solana transactions only work on the Solana blockchain, so keep that in mind. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Look for your Solana holdings and select them to initiate a withdrawal. Next, in Step 2, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Go to the Withdraw option for Solana. Here, you'll paste the recipient address from your XMO account. To get that address, log into XMO, navigate to your Solana wallet, and copy the deposit address. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on Solana's current traffic. In 2025, fees might be even lower with network upgrades, but always review them before confirming. Once you've entered the amount, review the transaction summary. This includes the total amount, fees, and final recipient. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor authentication for security. After that, Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. Solana is known for its speed, so this should only take a minute or two. Once it's done, check your XMO account to confirm the deposit. A quick tip. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And always stay updated with any platform changes, as interfaces might evolve by 2025. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Solana from Crypto.com to XMO. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.